What's up, guys? Tony here with Drive Protected, and today's video we're going to be showing you guys how to remove the window trims on the 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. Really simple, really fast. So open your door, grab the back of the trim here, and just lift up and do a little twist forward, and then just twist and pull up just like that. So just repeat that 4 times. Here we go. Back when you get a little bit more leverage. All right, passenger side, same thing. We'll just grab this one right away. Just like that. Now to put it back in, start by pushing down in the front and then towards the mirror. Get it locked in by the mirror there. Start pushing down towards the back and then work your way back to the front. Just make sure it's clipped in there nicely. All 4. These are technically called belt moldings, but window trim moldings all off in just like a minute on the Tesla Model Y. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next one.